Hello friends, this is Atul Khatri from Department of Civil Engineering, Bhirabai Sawant College of Engineering and Research, Nare, Pune. Friends, our today's topic is how to manage the stress. Before we discuss how to manage the stress, let's friend discuss that what is the stress, what are the causes of the stress or what are the causes of the depression in our day-to-day life. Friends, many times it happened that our expectation, desires are not fulfilled and we are under the stress. Let's take me a simple example. Suppose your exam result is not as per your expectation. You might be under the stress. You may not get the admission in your desired college. You might be under the stress. You are not going to earn the money what is you are expected. You might be under the stress. If you married, then there is a stress. If you are not married, then also there is a stress. Friends, we are surrounded with a lot of problems and the stress. And now we are going to discuss that how to manage it. See, what is the problem? The problem is that we don't want to accept the fact and then the stress is developed. Okay. Now let's discuss that why to manage the stress and how to manage the stress. Now if I ask you the question why to manage the stress, the simple answer is that everybody want to live the life with the joyful. No one want to live a life with the stress. Yes. So how to live the life with the joy, with the happiness, and when you think on that, you need to manage your stress. Now friends, let's discuss that how to manage the stress. And for that, we need to understand the shloka which are given in Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita. Karmanyevadikaya dharmasya ma phaleshu kadanchanam. It means that you are supposed to do the job. You are supposed to do your work, but there is no control on the result. But what has happened, friend? We are more associated with the result. We want that this should be happened. Many times I have seen that the students are appearing for the interview and they are asking for the salary package. They are not interested in the work profile. Means we are interested that what I will get. I am not going to think that what is my input. We can take another example. When the students are going to appear for the exam, they think that how I will get the first class with distinction. But they are not putting their efforts in doing the study. What should they do? They should put their efforts, full efforts in doing the study rather than thinking about the result. Friends, we need to understand that we must keep our aim high. But our expectations are low as possible. Remember friends, expectations are nothing but the part of the future. But the joy is in the present. And if we want to feel the joy, we must live in the present. Is it or not? There is a very good say by someone that सफर का लुफ्त लेना है तो आपके साथ सामान कम चाहिए. सफर का लुफ्त लेना है तो आपके साथ सामान कम चाहिए और जिंदगी का लुफ्त लेना है तो आपके अरमान कम चाहिए. Let's try to understand it from the example. एक आदमी होता है जो अपना घर बनाता है और उस घर में रहने जाने के पहले ही दिन, उद्घाटन के पहले दिन शाम में उस घर का पूरा घर गिर जाता है, दम जमीन दोस्त हो जाता है. तो सारे लोग सोचते हैं कि अब ये आदमी रोना धोना करेगा, पर वो आदमी रोना धोना न करके सारे गांव में मिठाई बांटता है. वो बोलता है कि अगर घर एक दिन बाद गिरा होता तो आज मैं मेरे परिवार के साथ में न होता. तो हमने सिचुएशन में पॉजिटिविटी देखी है. तो हमें ये हमारे विचारों पे डिपेंड करता है, ये हमारे विचारों पे निर्धारित करता है कि हम सिचुएशन को किस तरह लेते हैं. हमें हर सिचुएशन में पॉजिटिव सोचना होगा और पॉजिटिव लेना होगा. हमें ये याद रखना होगा, अगर सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाएंगे, नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाएंगे. कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है, दिशाएं बदलो किनारे बदल जाएंगे. Friends, I want to request you that please don't give your control in somebody's hand. Don't think that what the others will say. मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देता हूं. अगर आपको किसी ने गधा कहा तो आप गधे नहीं होते हो, पर आप गधे कब बनते हो? जब आप अपनी बाहें उठाकर उसे रिएक्ट करते हो। तो जब आप रिएक्ट करते हो तब आप गधे बनते हो। तो मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि आप अपना कंट्रोल किसी और के हाथ में न दे, अपना रिमोट अपने पास ही रखें। फ्रेंड्स, वी नीड टू रिमेंबर that the good time, bad time, success, failure, these are the sides of the coin. This is the part and parcel of our life. We must think the positivity, we must see the positivity in each and every situation. If possible, change the situation. If it is beyond your control, it is better to accept the situation as it is and give the thank for the God for everything which is given for the God. I say that give the thanks to the God for the everything which is given by the God. Friends, at last I will say, जिंदगी मुझको सारे गमा सुनकर गुदगुदाती थी। जिंदगी मुझको सारे गम सुनाकर गुदगुदाती थी। जिंदगी मुझको सारे गम सुनाकर गुदगुदाती थी और मैं कमबख्त उसे सारे गम समझकर कोसता रहा। Friends, I will say that be happy, live happy and live the life with the full of joy. Thank you.